What's going on, everybody? My name is Vince, and I'm just an ordinary raver bringing you 5 EDC Las Vegas tips. It's going to be a quick video, so here we go. Number 1, being yourself and dancing like no one is watching. When you bring that positive energy, people will see that and will match your energy. At one of my very first festivals, which was Beyond Wonderland 2016, I remember being at Slander Set, and I was headbanging like no one was watching. And I looked pretty crazy while I was doing it. That led to a group of people coming to me, and we started a little circle, not a mosh pit, but a headbanging circle. And then more people joined it, more people joined it. It was like 30 people. It's just in a big old circle headbanging. And that was one of the coolest experiences I have ever experienced. So tip number 2, bring a fan. People will thank you and love you for this one. I mean, in a crowd of 200,000 people, it does get hot. So when you bust out that fan, people will just give you nothing but smiles and love. Tip number 3 is trading candy. This is my personal favorite. I love trading candy, especially if someone gives me a light show. If I end up losing my lighter and they let me borrow theirs, I'll trade them candy. Or for any other little reason, if their energy is awesome and I just want to trade them candy, I'll trade them candy. Tip number 4 would be if you see people wearing merch. If there's an artist that you love, just say, hey, nice shirt. And that usually leads to a conversation. I love Seven Lions, so whenever I see someone wearing like a Seven Lions jersey, shirt, hat, or whatever, I usually go talk to them and say, are you guys part of the Codex fam? Which is Seven Lions' Facebook group, and most of them are. This is how I actually met some of my closest Ray fam. I saw them wearing Seven Lions merch, and I asked them Codex fam, and now they're part of my Ray fam. Tip number 5 is during EDC, when you walk out of the shuttles, there's usually cases of water that are there. I usually take about 2, put them in my bag, and when I'm inside the festival, I see someone dying and they need water. I usually give them water, or give them a bottle, and they're really thankful that, which usually leads to me either getting candy or just conversating, which is pretty cool. So this video is going to be a really quick one. If you guys did like it, don't forget to subscribe. I will be making a lot more videos on tips and tricks. My fiance will be helping me out as well for like rave wear and stuff. As well as I'll be vlogging some festivals I know coming up pretty soon. I will be going to see Excision on his Evolution tour, I'm sorry, in San Bernardino on April 4th. And then also I'll be going to see Above and Beyond in June for their acoustic show. So if you guys do like and want to see that, please subscribe.